Hey guys, this is Anthony from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today we're coming to you, talking to you about a very small project, but a very important project. A project for my home church, TPC. But before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. We always love new subscriptions. New subscriptions often lead to new viewership. New viewership often leads to new projects. But again, our pastor called us a couple of weeks ago and asked for us to come in so we can talk about reconfiguring the stair. We did it. They were happy. It wasn't an easy job. There was a lot of figuring out with angles and low points, but we got it done. In fact, there were some HVAC issues that we had to take care of to be able to continue to get the return air coming in, but we did it. And the important thing is, or one thing to point out, this is another recurring opportunity. A year ago, we did a commercial kitchen for the church so that they can increase their service capacity and give more food to the community. And now with the way the economy is, it's even a valuable thing to be able to give food to people that are less fortunate than anybody else. So, in closing, if you have any project that you need to take down to get completed, whether they be new construction, whether they be multifamily, single house, kitchens, bath, basements, give us a call. We would love to service you. You know, we're like that good boyfriend. You just don't let them go. Once you go with E Talley Construction, you never go back. So, once again, Anthony from E Talley Construction signing out.